how to enable or disable notifications indicator on the Apple Watch 9. First, press on the crown button to go back to the watch face. Then press on the crown button again to go into the apps screen. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, I'm going to go back to the main settings page and then tap on settings. Tap on notifications. In here, you go down and you tap on notifications indicator. Now in here, you tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. After that, you can press on the crown button to go back to your watch face. Now that will turn on this this dot right here at the top. This is to indicate that you have new notifications. So if I go in here and switch it off, you can see if I go back to my watch face screen, it does not show the dot anymore. So if I turn it on and if I have notifications, it will show a red dot at the top. And on your iPhone, you can also change the settings by opening up the watch app. Then tap on My Watch and then tap on notifications. In here, tap on notifications indicator and that will allow you to switch it off. That will also make your settings on your watch turn off as well. And there it is. And that's it. Finally, you can go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.